Alright, hey guys, we are back with another video. Today I will be showing you how to set up the Svavo Aroma Diffuser. I've unboxed this about a week ago, and today we will be setting it up. So, to get started on this, you'd first have to take off the front cover. And inside, you'll see a couple of buttons. You'll see a place where the battery goes, and a place where your essential oils go. Now, later in the video, I might show a little clip of me using it, and yeah, so I had to buy this for the video, some peppermint essential oil. So I won't be putting in the essential oil in the bottle right now, but I will show you how to remove this. And to do so, you just have to pull it a little bit, just like that, and unscrew it. And as you see, you just pour it inside a little bit, and then you just screw it back in, and you push it back inside just like that. So after you're done that, you want to place in the battery just like that, and it should turn on. And then I'll show you guys how to set up the screen. It's a little bit dark, but the light should turn on as we click. So first thing we want to do, in my opinion, is click set. And now once we click set, it will give us an option to it'll give us a couple numbers on screen, or two places. And what we do with those numbers is, or what it tells us is that after a certain amount of time, after how many minutes should the devices spray. So if we click this, it's at 10. That's the default. So every 10 minutes, the Aroma Diffuser will spray, and now we can adjust that up to 90 minutes, as you will see. I'm holding down the plus symbol right here button to make it go up, and it goes up all the way to 90. Yep, there we go. Click one more, it goes back to 1. There we go. And now suppose I wanted to keep it at 25. There we go. I'm gonna click set. Next thing it takes me to is the work week. So do you want it to work from Monday to Friday? Do you want it to work from Monday to Saturday, or Monday to Sunday? Those are your three choices. And so, all right, there we go. After a while, it goes back to the main page. So we just have to click it twice. There we go, we're back there. Now you see there's Monday to Friday, Monday to Saturday, Monday to Sunday. And I'm okay with Monday to Sunday. We're gonna click set. Now we have to set the time right now. And right now is, I believe it's 8:10. So the 8 is already good enough. We're gonna click set again. Now we're gonna go to the minutes. There, once we're all the way to 10, we're gonna click set. Now we have to set the week. So the weekday. It's not Monday, it's not Tuesday, it's not Wednesday. Today I believe is Sunday. Yeah. We're gonna click set, and we're all done. Now, the other thing you'd have to adjust is your mode. It comes with 3 modes that are adjustable. The first mode allows. So what the modes basically do is give it a working schedule, a daily working schedule. So on a regular day, from what time to time is it gonna work? And you can have 3 modes, and the pre-installed ones come from 24 to 12, I guess you can say. It's because it's a 0000. It's a 24-hour clock. So from 24 to 12, or from 12 to, I believe, 18, and from 18 to 24. Those are the ones that are pre-installed, and you can obviously change them simply by clicking mode. And there we go, we're on event 1. That's the first mode. Now we can just click the plus symbol and choose the starting, the ending, whatever. Once we're good, we click, oh no, my bad, I clicked set by mistake. Let's go back to mode. There we go. Once we're okay with that, we'll click on mode again. Now we can adjust the minutes. Good enough. Then we go into the end phase for the event 1, or mode 1. Then we go to mode 2 and adjust that, and so on. Anyways, that's it. So once you're done adjusting all that, you just close it up, and it should work just like you set it up. Okay, so right now, I'm gonna put some essential oil inside, and we're gonna see how it works. So we're just gonna pull out this bottle, just like in the beginning. Oh, okay. Actually, I'll set up everything and I'll start the video once it gets going, to show you guys how loud it can get and whatnot. So yeah, see you then. Alright guys, so I filled up the little bottle with a little bit of the essential oil. I'll be closing it up, and I'll just put it like somewhere over here and keep a little distance, and close it up, and it will spray. And obviously you don't want to keep this on the floor, you want to keep it I believe around 5 or 7 feet up. Yeah, so it can fill up the room much more easily. And yeah, so the next couple of I'm just gonna sit around the next couple of minutes and wait until it sprays, and you guys will get a little bit of an idea of how loud it is and whatnot. But yeah, anyways, thanks so much for watching. And yeah, if you want to check out this product, check out the link down in the description below. And yeah, next couple of seconds you will be witnessing this spray the essential oil. Bye for now.